Melody and I have arrived at Space Coast RV Resort in Rockledge, Florida. Let's go check it out. Space Coast RV Resort is part of the Trails collection under the Thousand Trails umbrella. There was no upcharge for Melody and I to stay here.
We have been at Space Coast RV Resort for a couple days now, and boy do we like it here. Yesterday we had a really nice lunch at a place called Fish Lips down by Port Canaveral, and I highly recommend checking the place out. The food was amazing. Now we're going to take you on a walking tour of Space Coast RV Resort.
As you come into Space Coast RV Resort, it's clearly marked RV check-in. You just pull up and go in that A-frame building. They'll get you set up with your site. After we checked in, someone in a golf cart took us to our site. They do have a pool at Space Coast RV Resort. This is one of several lakes they have here at Space Coast RV Resort. Here's a place where I take Milo in the morning. He can do his business, and they have a doggy can right there with some bags. It's nice and peaceful here in the RV resort. Here's another one of the lakes, and they do have fountains going. And adjacent to this lake, you'll find the laundry facility, one of the two laundry facilities. Melody went in there and did laundry this morning. She did a video for you. I'll cut to that video right now.
I'm in the laundry room this morning at the Space Coast RV Resort in Rockledge, Florida. In this laundry room, you're going to find 4 washers and 4 dryers. There is another laundry room down behind the office next to the pool area, and I will check to see how many's in that facility later for you all. To wash, it is $2. You can use credit card, or it does take quarters. Over on this side, you're going to find the 4 dryers, and it is a $1.50 to dry, quarters, and credit cards also. Here you'll find a folding table, a sink, some paper towels, and there's even an iron and a place where you can press your clothes off, and another folding table on this side. Outside of the laundry room, you'll find a seating area. So if it's a nice day, and as you can probably hear, the birds are chirping in the background. They also have a seating area outside of the laundry room over by this little pond. There is a fountain, but right now it is not going. Right there is the location of the other laundry room. Inside there you will find 12 washers and 12 dryers. I didn't want to do any filming in there because there are people in there, but it is a little bit bigger than the one I used this morning, and this location is near the office and the swimming pool, and they do have seating outside here too.
This morning, Melody and I took a drive down the Cocoa Beach. We're at a public beach access point with restrooms, and there's a dog park here. It's free parking. And there's a nice, we saw a prickly pear cactus too, going over the dunes here. There's a nice little walkway that takes you out to the beach here at Cocoa Beach. Let's go check it out. We took a drive down here after stopping at the Cocoa Beach Pier. I checked their website. It even had the prices of what it costs to go out to fish and bait and all that. And usually don't need a Florida State license if you're going out on a fishing pier and you're paying the pier fee. And I come to find out when I park in the parking lot that they no longer allow fishing at the Cocoa Beach Pier. And that was a total surprise because I checked the pier's own website out and it even listed the prices. So they must have not have updated their website for the Cocoa Beach Pier to reflect the fact that they no longer have fishing on the pier. So pretty nice little public boardwalk. Takes you out to the beach. And look at the water. It does look nice today. Wow, I didn't expect this. I expected it to look kind of like the dirty brown color. This is got a blue tint to it. Let's go check it out. I'm telling you folks, this is a nice beach access point. There's where we entered up there. And take a look at that water. They even have garbage cans off the side of the dunes all the way down the beach. Cocoa Beach, Florida. I'll have the grid coordinates for this free beach access point at Cocoa Beach in the written video description on YouTube for you. Here's a little bit closer view of the water here at Cocoa Beach. I'm in my fishing gear, my fishing garb. I have my 2 poles and tackle box with me. I was really stoked about coming out fishing this morning. I think we're gonna run up to the Jetty Park Pier. There's a campground there. The Carnival Cruise Line's right there. We ate at a restaurant right near there a couple days ago. So I think we're gonna run up there and see if I can fish without a license up there. I kind of doubt that I can, but I'm gonna check anyway. With this fishing pier closed, they may charge to go out and fish on the pier there, and if they do, then chances are that I can fish without a Florida fishing license. But we're gonna hop in the truck and go check the fishing situation out up at Jetty Park Pier up by Port Canaveral. Here's a final look back at Cocoa Beach. It is a wide beach and there is free parking here at this access point. We came out another beach access point, found another set of restrooms, and even a place to shower off.
A little fishy. Oh, he's pretty.
Keep that as bait. It would be awesome.
I was allowed to fish at the Jetty Park Pier at Port Canaveral without a Florida State fishing license. I paid a fee online to the Port Authority, and with that access pass, you can go out to the pier, you can spend all day, wonderful facilities, and the scenery was amazing. Here are a few clips of what you'll find at Space Coast RV Resort. And they do have an on-site propane fill. My rig is just around the corner. We had a 3050 amp full hookup site. You can tell some of these sites are newly graveled. They were putting gravel down during our stay. And this is my site right here. We ate at Fish Lips at Port Canaveral. We had a water view. The food and drinks were amazing. And also during our stay, we took a Space Coast river cruise. Melody and I did a video on that. There'll be a link to that video at the end of this video. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.